Allies of former President Rodrigo Duterte filed graft and other criminal complaints against House Speaker Martin Romualdez and other lawmakers before the Office of the Ombudsman for the alleged 241 billion pesos worth of insertions in the 2025 national budget. Former House Speaker Pantaleon Alvarez, lawyer Ferdinand Topacio, and Virgilio Garcia, along with PDP Laban senatorial candidate Attorney Jimmy Bondoc, led the filing of 12 counts of graft against Romualdez, House Majority Leader Manuel Jose Dalipe, former House Appropriations Committee Chairperson Zaldi Co, and Acting Appropriations Committee Chair Stella Kimbo. Two others referred to as John Doe and Jane Doe also faced the same complaints for alleged violation of Article 170 of the Revised Penal Code and Section 3E of Republic Act No. 3019 or the Anti-Graft and Corrupt Practices Act. Former President Duterte and former Appropriations Panel Head and Davao City 3rd District Representative Isidro Ungab previously raised concerns about blank items in the 2025 budget. Duterte warned that the General Appropriations Act would be an invalid legislation if Congress passed it with some items left blank. According to Alvarez, the allocations with blank items supposedly totaled 241 billion pesos.
Marami yung blanco na yon. Ngayon, nung tinignan namin ano yung mga nilagay nila doon sa blanco, tinotal namin, umabot sa 241 billion. Yung pagsingit ng, imagine, 241 billion pesos. Ang laking halaga yan. Hindi mo pwedeng sabihin na typographical error yan na kinurek ng technical working group. Mahirap po, ang laki ng amount na involved.
Ungab and former Executive Secretary Vic Rodriguez filed on January 27 a petition for certiorari and prohibition, asking the Supreme Court to declare the General Appropriations Act of 2025 as unconstitutional. President Bongbong Marcos had called Duterte a liar for claiming that there were blank spaces in the 2025 national budget that were to be filled up later. The president also said he could not find blank items when he reviewed over 4,000 pages of the General Appropriations Act before signing it into law. For her part, Kimbo clarified that the blanks in the Bicameral Conference Committee report on the 2025 national budget were only for the final computation of the amendments. She reiterated that the 2025 General Appropriations Act is legal as the allocations on the then proposed budget were already decided by the BICAM before the House of Representatives and the Senate ratified the report. She insisted that the enrolled budget bill had no blank provisions.